Today, we are specifically working with the upper body, utilizing both of our hands to create a double infinity shape. This is such a magical posture for manifestation. It's one of the biggest movements I use whenever I'm trying to call something in or I'm requesting or speaking to the universe. It is such a powerful tool to be able to connect again with that infinite loop of yin and yang, of giving and receiving, of balancing, of letting go and bringing in the new. So what this shape will look like is I'm taking my hands and I'm gently painting 2 figure eights with my hands. And as you do this, you're utilizing the movement from the shoulder girdle. So we're not really moving our wrists at all, but it's more from the shoulder. So what it'll look like is I'm opening and then I'm cutting in and down. So let's just do that with just our one hand. I'm inhaling, opening. And you might have seen this movement in the Guanjing Method book or in the Yin Yang Flow, but we're breaking it down a little more today. And so this is the biggest shape that we can create because the movement is coming from the shoulder. And if you look at it from both ends, we're opening up from the shoulder, we're cutting in, down, and around. Now we can also do it from the wrists, and so our wrists are be creating the double infinity. And we're just as if we're dipping our hands in some paint and we're painting in front of us 2 figure eights. So we're just opening and creating 2 figure eights. And notice here how the energy is even smaller. And now let's go from the elbows, open, painting bigger figure eights now. Feel the way the texture is being painted with your breath, utilizing your breath. The inhale, we open. Exhaling. Inhale, open. Exhaling. Hello everyone, this is Ting Ting from Guanjing Method, and so I'm here today to talk more about what's inside the Guanjing online membership. This membership is a subscription-based program with 0 obligations, cancel anytime, and begin at any point. When you join the online membership, you gain access to a full spectrum of Guanjing online classes that I have created over the years.
The Guanjing Method weaves together in the best way that I have found that awareness of life force energy with movement, so that every day now I look forward to practicing it.
I'm sharing with you the easiest possible access to the movement form. Basics membership at $55 a month gives you access to 5 different courses. These courses are designed to get you started on the right track with the movements of Guanjing. The second membership option is the Elements membership at $99 a month. This gives you not 5, but 8 different courses along with 2 live group classes a month and the gift of a paperback Guanjing Method book. The live classes are an opportunity to talk firsthand with me about any questions you had, as well as learn fun new flows not accessible in the Basics membership. Are you ready to join the Guanjing Method community? Click the link to sign up.